बेस्ट एंड द easiest way by which you can make a good amount of money अगर आप कॉलेज में हैं, आप स्कूल में हैं और या आप कोई एक साइड हसल ढूंढ रहे हैं अपनी इनकम को बढ़ाने के लिए. So in this video I will be sharing how you can sell your own notes on documents on a website called as Studypool. Studypool is an online community where people clear their doubts, sell their own notes, and exactly we are going to sell our notes here. And if someone sees it for a single time, you get paid up to $10. It is created like a digital product of your notes, and if someone sees it, you get paid. It can be 10 people, it can be 20 people, it can be 1,000 people or 10,000 people. Depends how attractive our notes are and how effective they are and how much value they are creating in the life of people. Being a student, हम सब notes बनाते हैं, चाहे हमारे कॉलेज के दौरान हो, हमारे क्लासेस के टाइम हो, एग्ज़ाम से पहले हो या असाइनमेंट्स हो, टेस्ट हो. लेकिन क्या होता है जब हमारा टेस्ट कंप्लीट हो जाता है या हमारा सेमेस्टर कंप्लीट हो जाता है, हम उन नोट्स को उठाकर फेंक देते हैं या कहीं रख देते हैं, कंसीडरिंग दैट दे आर यूजलेस. इवन दो मैंने अपने कई सारे नोट्स फेंक दिए थे ये सोच के कि मैंने ये सेमेस्टर पास कर लिया, अभी इसका क्या काम है. बट दीज नोट्स कैन बी हेल्पफुल फॉर दोज हु आर एंटरिंग द सेम क्लास विच वी हैव पास्ड और द सेम सेमेस्टर which we have been cleared last time. So these notes can be useful for those people. Let me show you exactly how it works, how actually you can do the same and how Studypool can work for you.
So simply just follow the link in description and you will go to this page and you can see the top 3 earners of the time, and here it is written what you should have upload on the website. And you can see here it is written that you will get $10 per document to use. I have uploaded around 9 documents and they are being listed below. Let me scroll down, as you can see, and you can go through the website and here it is written how it works. First, upload the document, files are approved, users view your document and you will receive a payment. And here are some instructions given how to maximize your earnings. You can simply go through that and go through all around the website of Studypool, and on top there are some subject listed on which you can upload the notes. There are every subjects, as you can see: business, accounting, humanities, mathematics, programming, science subjects and more. So just simply click on upload more file. As you can see, the file is been uploaded and one is get uploaded. Now the file is being uploaded successfully. So just click OK and you can see one document is pending. Once the document is approved, you can start making money by this document. Here you can see the top earners: William from USA, Priya L from Mumbai, India. So these are some top.
So how I can check my earnings? So on the top right you will find a section of my balance. By clicking that you can check how much you have been earned, and there is written that you can settle your withdrawal money in 2 to 3 business days. You can withdraw your money using PayPal or transfer, or you can just simply use your bank account to get paid. So this was all for today's video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'll meet in next video. Till that, bye.